Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What are the 10 healthiest foods to eat every day? It seems like every day we wake up to a new superfood that will change your life. With the abundance of information available, how do you know what's actually good for you? All too often, seemingly healthy snacks are secretly loaded with sugar, saturated fat, and carbohydrates. That's why we handpicked the healthiest foods to eat that are delicious and incredibly easy to cook. After all, rule number 1 for sticking to a smart meal plan is to not get bored, and these healthy ingredients will keep you on your toes. Here are the top 10 foods you should be eating. Number 1. Mangoes. They are low-calorie, high in fiber and vitamins A and C. They also have other vitamins, minerals and antioxidants and have been linked with multiple health benefits. All my kids like them, so it is something we can all agree on. Number 2. Legumes. Legumes such as chickpeas are a great healthy snack item that can actually provide a lot of flavor depending on how you prepare them. I like making jalapeno cilantro hummus, or even roasting whatever peppers are in season, and incorporating those into a hummus. Using the hummus as simply a healthy dip, or to add a flavor profile to any wrap or sandwich instead of a mayonnaise-based spread can result in a healthy, savory meal. Number 3. Almonds. Almonds have a lot of vitamin E, which protects against macular degeneration as well as cataracts. I recommend eating just a handful a day. Number 4. Fish. Eat plenty of fish, which are high in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and smaller portions of red meat to reduce your risk of diseases like stroke, heart disease and cancer. Number 5. Broccoli or any of the cruciferous vegetables. These foods are rich in nutrients including glucosinolates, which are key in detoxification processes. These are best served raw or quick steamed for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 6. Beets. No matter which color, red, yellow, golden, or which part, root or greens, they contain a wonderful variety of protective carotenoids. Evidence suggests their dietary nitrates can be converted to nitric oxide and improve endurance exercise. Number 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal keeps cholesterol in check, helps fight against heart disease, and keeps you full until lunch, thanks to its soluble fiber. Look for old-fashioned or steel-cut varieties. Try this for a savory breakfast. Drizzle cooked oatmeal with olive oil, and sprinkle with parmesan, or try this oatmeal recipe with spinach and poached eggs. Number 8. Eggs. The whites offer up protein with minimal calories. Egg yolks get a bad rap, but don't skip them. They are awash with vitamin B12 and vitamin A, and they contain choline, a nutrient that's particularly important for pregnant women. Try this: make a sandwich with whole grain bread, sliced hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, olives, anchovies, red onion, and a drizzle of olive oil. Or try Italian baked eggs. Number 9. Chocolate. There is nothing wrong with an occasional dietary reward, which is why chocolate is so often thought of as a health food, as long as you don't get into the habit of comfort eating. Number 10. Black beans. These burrito mainstays boast antioxidants and magnesium, which help maintain nerve and muscle function. Try this on a baking sheet. Toss canned black beans with olive oil, ground cumin, and salt. Roast at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy, about 10 minutes, for a tasty snack. Or try Cuban black beans and rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, Please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.